Every morning, the grind begins. For many of us, that means a crowded jeepney, a face mask, and traffic laced with smog.
I thought it was just a normal cough. Everyone has one, right? Just the city air. I didn't even think much of it.
But after months of brushing it off, the doctor dropped the bomb. Chronic bronchitis, likely caused by years of polluted commutes. Air pollution isn't just an inconvenience, it's a slow, silent health crisis. Jeepneys contribute heavily to the toxic air we breathe. I didn't even see it coming. Now, I live with the damage. Don't wait until it hits you too.